Hello, welcome to Excel tutorial. Today I will show you how to install WordPress Plesk server. Before start the tutorial, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So all of the next tutorial I publish in my channel immediately you find in your email. So let's start the tutorial. How to install WordPress Plesk server. This is our test domain hosted in Plesk. Already showed how to install Plesk and configure it. Please check my channel and find the tutorial. So I will install the WordPress here. This is my Plesk admin. Before install, just let's go to the file directory. Here is the some test file. We can delete this. Just select all and click the remove. Yes. Okay, done. Now check the folder is empty. So now start installing the WordPress. By default, you can install the WordPress manually, upload the files and create the manually database and others, import database and normal way. I will show in one of my tutorial how to install normally in the WordPress. So I will use today the website one-click installer. This is the Plesk feature. So here is lots of feature. You can check install application. You can install the other application like Joomla, OpenCart, PrestaShop, etc. And you can also create the custom website files, the files and database. So is lots of other features. You can explore all of the features. But today I will install the WordPress. So let's click the install WordPress. It's very easy for the beginner who don't know how to install the WordPress manually. It will help you much to install the WordPress easily. Here is the installation install configuration. So the installation path, I will install it in the root domain. I don't want to, if you want to install this WordPress in any subdirectory, just insert the directory name. So I will install it in the root directory, so that's why I am ignoring this. Website title, you can add your title. This is test WordPress site. Plugin or theme, there is no list. Okay, none, and it should be HTTPS or HTTP. I'm using HTTPS. Website language is some other language you can choose. Website version is the current version is 5.2.2, and if you want to install the older version, you can choose the version from the list. This is the WordPress administrator information. This is a test site, so add the test information. So admin, password, and the email address. So database, just keeping all of the default configuration. So I'm ignoring this. After fill up this field, just hit the button install. It will start installing the WordPress in your server, and it will take some time. Let's wait. This is the downloading and unpacking it in the server, creating the database, configure the installations, and the file. It will take maybe it will take some times. And okay, done. And the securing website, it's done. Install if you want to install the plugins, or I will set up it from the WordPress panel. So no, thank you. And it's done. Okay, now let's visit our site. Oh yes, it's working. Oh, it's great. So let's log into the backend. Admin website. Username, password, login. Yeah, it's done. So this is our WordPress. You can install the theme, plugins, anything. You can do anything now. So hope you understand the tutorial. It's very easy to install a WordPress. If you have any questions, please comment in our channel, and I'll try to reply all of your questions. So thank you very much.